Hello. Isn't it unusual? Me streaming at this time of the day? Yes. Yes. And thanks for the chicken, cutie. Such a cutie pie. Give me a second, I need to check. Been looking for a hotel. God, okay. J PQA HD 9WQ. Looking at hotels in South Korea. Oof. Ooh. Oh. Oof. Oh, goddamn. Oof. I guess with the switch of the rooms is doable. Hey, super! That's been a long time since I've seen you. Thanks for checking, buddy. Hey. Okay, let's potentially switch to over here. Oh my god, this code is driving me crazy at this point. Anyhow. Even if it drives me crazy. Hello. How are you, buddy? My eyes ain't working well, so forgive me if my head is gonna be in weird corners. Okay. Bad. What do you mean bad? Whisper. What? I forgot what I'm extracting. No. Y'all shouldn't see that. What was it? Yeah. How are you, super? Bucky and Torch. Well, Torch is a bit poor, but Bucky, hallelujah. Of course, he still has the things that annoy me, but it's longer cooldown, so I'm happy. Delicious. Okay. So, Whisper Log Mel Spectrogram. Yes. But yeah, I don't know about the torch. Is it that bad? I play DD now. Why not Black Cat? Super. Come on. If you are playing Black Cat, I would most likely pocket you. Okay, so nah, no Gunner. No. What do you mean no Gunner? We're playing Gunner rivals. What do you mean no Gunner? Don't. That's weird. I'll buy that Iron Man skin from the roadmap. Cool. Don't think I'm planning to buy any skins from the roadmap. Oh. One of my favorite suits from the MCU. Which I don't even remember which one it was. Okay. Oh, what am I looking for? Yeah, so it's just gonna be a static class, because it's just gonna be that will need using Force Chop, using Torch, was it? No. What was it? Arnie, what's up? What's up? Super. Actually, let's reduce the music a little bit. I feel like it's too loud. No, that's the wrong thing. That's wrong. Where's the OBS? Minimize this. I think that's a good amount of sound. So I'll do a resamp. Yes, that works actually. So, in public static, mouse torch, sensor, not gonna be forward. Whisper, signal, spectrogram. I'll need to change the name of one of those. Is a slice of cheese a good snack? I mean, it's a snack, not much. Like, I never see no a slice of cheese, especially with a little bit of olives on the side. Mwah. This needs need a nice beer. Sensor, waveform, and mouse. Let's do 180 the default, because I think TTS mainly uses that. No, that's not correct. It's a good midnight snack. I mean, it's a snack. Definitely good or bad. That's a kind of depends on the definition of good or bad. Fuck off, I don't need that. I will also no, that's too far. Private static. What is yeah, it's also gonna be a tensor. Yes, this works with tensor. Get smell filters. This gonna need this too. Nothing else. Fuck off, AI. Have you watched Project Hail Mary? I have not. What's Project Hail Mary? Hail Mary. I'm not trusting people these days, so let's do this. Science fiction adventure with Ryan Gosling. Whenever I see this guy's face, I just can't take him seriously. No, not AI mode. Ah! Science teacher Ryland Grace wakes up on a spaceship with no recollection of who he is or how he got there. As his memory slowly returns, he soon discovers he must solve the riddle behind the mysterious substance that's causing the sun to die out. As he deals the mission unravel, he calls on his scientific training and she... Meh. Hey, Slavity! Hey. It, I don't know, kind of feels meh. Hey. Okay, so what will I need? I will need... will load. Is it? I might consider. As I said, I don't know why, but whenever I see Ryan Gosling's face, I just can't take him seriously. Okay, private static... No, not read only. I'm lying. Static. And... oh... The smell. Let's default as -1, which means it's not loaded. Private static or sensor mel filter. Low. Hey, Robo! Hello, cool, super. Thanks for coming by. Hope you have a good one, buddy. Hope you have a good one. Guess that. Okay. I think I will need to use this, and actually won't I need that? No. What about the torch defined? I forget it. I forget it spaghetti. Oh, I can check later, whatever. This works in any case. Actually using it, I could remove the torch bit and just have the tensor, but not a big issue. Okay, so first I guess the important bit is loading. So if yeah, that's I have no clue what you wrote there, but we'll guess that will be worked actually. So if it's does not equal, so if we're actually coming in, it's never gonna come in as -1. We're gonna load it, otherwise we'll return whatever is loaded, which by default is null. Hydrate, yes sirree! Cheers, buddy! How are you, Robo? How's your day going? This will need to be changed to a lazy. It doesn't have to be, we're storing it here, so it doesn't have to be a lazy. I'm lying. I'm a liar, pants on fire. Okay, so using Cozy Voice app. So that is where we store our assets, which are embedded inside the file. String resource equals. Yeah, that's not correct. What's a mail file name? Where's that? At making game. Ooh, what kind of game are you making? So the name is actually melfilter.mpz. Zombie game. Ooh, that looks exciting. I actually need to check the original code base. Don't mind me opening different windows. I have it open. There's bridge, sentence, no, okay. We can go through here. Spectrogram. So this code base is practically is gonna replicate Whisper logmail spectrogram code base. Because I don't want to pull in the whole Whisper just to be able to get their spectrogram. Unfortunately, the models are built on Whisper spectrogram, trained on, so I cannot use the Torch spectrogram. Why? Who knows? Who knows why Cozy Voice developers decided to do it that way. Anywho, as is DP and mill filters. That's interesting. Okay, so yeah, so now pickle. Okay, oh. So we only allow 80 or 128. That's interesting. That might actually be important. But actually, we'll do here before I forget. Just start working and check. Oh, later on. I guess I could just if animal and animals does not equal 80, and for now we will throw new exception valid and mels. Yep, thank you for the finishing that up. So the load itself. Okay, that's pretty simplistic. So using numpy. Okay. Weird tabulation, but we'll take it. When will you let us play? Oh. Okay, so we don't have from MP info. But we might have it a different name. Playing rivals to our Americanese friend. Cool. I was, before I started streaming, I was vibing with Proxy for a bit. Chatting. Okay, make image from the stream. Let's make video. Copy from. Do we have... Yeah, doesn't look like... Don't see... Nope, does not exist. I see you don't want to join us. No, I'm not gonna be doing rivals today. I'm thinking I will do a bit of coding and then I will play some Pragmata. Since it's out. Okay, so Torch Numpy doesn't exist. So we'll need to make it manually, potentially. So, in the array, hey, we got 4 people. Cool. So, as I said, I've been procrastinating and not doing development streams for a while, so I'll do some development and maybe for another few hours, then I'll take a 30-minute break to take a shower and I'll do Pragmata afterwards. I played Rivals yesterday. That's how we met indeed. That's how I need to do more. Okay. So... okay. The countless convert in array to... oh, okay, that's fine. Well, filter. That's... we can't do it from 9p. Fuck off. Torch sensor. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, I convert from 9p. What? Bool? This shouldn't be bool. Oh. Essentially? So shapes do exist in here. Okay. Let's check how the ND array is defined. What do we have? What options are available for us to use and abuse? Ew. The array. We have this. Ooh. Lol. Love the stabbing. Whee! Whee! Funny. Okay. Get a... potentially, we could try data long. Potentially, this might work, might not work. And then we return it. That does seem good enough. Now, okay. Let's have another static, which is private static. That should be a torch sensor, I think, yeah. Torch tensor get on window. And that's a bit of bullshit. Copy this, loaded on window. If it's nil, twice return. So if we have one not loaded, we'll load it. Otherwise, we straight away return whatever is loaded. This is none of this is correct, so let's just delete it. Loaded hand window. I think the original code base uses that. Periodic hand window. Yeah, just uses an NFTP. Oh. Oh, an NFTP is the file. So private const and I can't write const and window size. The file just like in Whisper. Okay, what else? We'll also need hop length. Oh yeah, that was 160. Damn, it knows better than I do. Scary as fuck. What else? Potentially chunk length? Chunk length 30. Ah, didn't know this one, did ya? Oh. Complexity without Chibu. Oh. The check if it's now. Wow. No. Okay. Yeah, but that doesn't. Okay, let's ignore it for now. I think that's just weird. Nullable. Maybe null. Yeah, if it's null, then we're fucked anyway. Okay, so audio. So let's take a local variable, get hand window. Might actually RSFTF Torch STF and hand window size, what hop length, and our return complex. True, that looks correct, though I would prefer to use a local variable, that's why. Oh. NFTT. That should be okay. Yeah, that should be hand window size. Okay, let's hop length as... Okay, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. We'll name it differently because this is gonna confuse me. NFT. Okay. Winlang. We don't provide that, so it's a little bit concerning. Okay. Now this is important actually. Dude. How do you set your device? Loaded mail filters. Type to complex to double. How do you set device on? No, torch. Sharp, not torch. Not PyTorch. Num 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 num. That's right, I forgot one thing. Well, we can do it after exception using our scope. Create new scope. Yeah. So dispose new scope literally disposes whatever scopes we have made in this function. So it's a garbage collection system. But at the same time, if you're whatever you're returning, you have to actually detach. So it wouldn't get destroyed. Okay, we could potentially do this, then do this. Damn, not what I expected. Device is me. Oh, just two. Two device. Okay, and so that will be device that works, and here we will take info. Oh, that's correct. Okay, device type, that would be. So we're keeping the window tensor inside the same device as the waveform came. Would be nice to potentially have it check how much space we have on the device and offload it to another device if available, but sounds like a pain in the ass to do, so we will not be doing that. So device type, device. Okay. Actually, I'm returning one. Okay, yeah, and return the new tensor. So in that case, let's maybe put it here. If it's returning, not to make any internal tensors if we don't need them. Even though it's just a pointer, it should be fine. Let's not risk it. And also, var device equals device. Let's pass this here instead of following straight away from there. So that would have to double check if we're returning correctly. Okay. Oh. What? What's your problem? Oh yeah. The problem is me being an idiot. That is a big problem, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, so now we need magnitudes. The absolute. Well, thank you. Magnitudes. Those magnitudes. And work. Sensor index. That's not correct at all. Ah, oops, sorry. Ellipsis, nice. That does exist. I stop. What? I love how you can define like scripts, the stop symbols, etc. Really feels helpful. Okay, so that should be the magnitudes. Well, thank you. Mil spectrogram, mass mole, filters, and magnitudes. Next, we need some whisper-like calculations. Still don't understand this error. If it's what? Bottom reference element for parameter left. Yes, that's why I'm checking if it's null. Ah. Oh, later. Okay. Let's just finish this one first. So var log spec equals storage log. Oops, can't write. Log 10. Mil spec. It does. Okay, that is correct. Thank you. Oops, that's not correct. That's me being a sassy baka. Maxval. Max. Compressed equals log spec maximum. Maxval. I love this. Just put random arbitrary numbers in there, like max out is -8. Why 8? Who the fuck knows? And that's the final now. There goes. Press the plus. Yeah, that's correct. And I'm guessing final is still. Oh, move to other. No. To outer. That's the one. Final. Touch. To device. Yeah. Oops. Okay, what you're complaining about? Spelling error. Spectrogram is not a word. I don't give a fuck. Everything's gonna be the same. Oh yeah. Whisper like spectrogram. That's good. Now the only problem we have is this, which I don't particularly understand. Var is loaded and loaded and window is not null. Operator cannot be applied to operand of type. What the hell are you talking about? What do you mean? Huh? That is a tensor, I fully agree. But that is... is... What? You know what? Let's do it. Let's leave it to AI icon. With true since value of bool is never equal. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Why? Or at least explain it to me. Come on, Copilot. Tell me what the fuck is this? Last time I checked the cursive result of something not equals null was a boolean, not a tensor. Otherwise, I think it's fine. Okay, looking at the round bit, there's an issue with implicit conversion from tensor to boolean. Typically it happens when comparison operators are overloaded to return tensor instead of booleans. In your code, that is like on this line, get how many is loaded. Okay. From oh, okay, well if that will work. Okay. That's not complaining. Didn't know we can use is not. That's in Delphi we usually use these instead of straightaway comparisons. Because is very strong. Maybe null here. It shouldn't, because if it's null we should load it. So it shouldn't be null. Okay, but that's what we need. Now the question is, where the fuck did we use it? Okay. That will be AO front end. Yes, so that's now gonna be or shop utils. And became a very long name. That's a single one, so I'm happy with it. Okay. Each token. Bug. Let's do it. Trust and belief, baby. Several errors. Yay. No. Why did I fuck up? Oh, that was just me checking shit around, so that can go, and that's it. So it weren't errors, it's just me being a fuck up. Which is not anything new. Ooh. Give me un momento. Weird. Com. I'm looking as timing. I am looking for a hotel in Korea for my holidays. EJA or AOJF. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Fine, looks pretty fine. Why the fuck is he sitting there? Oh, so it's not one of those hotels with... Oh, there is one PC. Ah, not a gaming PC with a gaming chair like I've seen some of them. Oh, British flag. Oh. Okay. So it's this room. Looks cool. Pretty good. Okay, sorry. Got distracted there. Okay. Oops. As you can see, I've been trying all kinds of stuff here. Unfortunately, transform resample was duplicating my data, so I had to code my own one. Okay, the shape's correct. Ooh, invalid life. Oh shit, I should have put something here. Can I? See content. Oh, that's not very helpful. String representation. Yeah, that's bullshit. Just in case, let's put here. Let's re-debug it. Because after break, sometimes the debugger doesn't properly show things. Yeah. Really? Yeah. No, for me. Bum. If we're happy with it, I can try to book. Okay. So what can we see? Not much so far. We can check the object. Could have more information. The booger display doesn't show much. As a raw pointer, not gonna help me at all. Okay. Okay. Show me. Oh, very helpful. Then with the zipped archive. Uh, okay. It's late loading, so it's not gonna show me what. Okay. Okay. Uh, so it's where's the loader? The original. Melfilm. The browser one. Loading Mel. Looks correct, to be fair. Let's copy straight away from Python. We can just change this to this. And I don't see any differences. And it says invalid slice notation. That's not good. So shit, I'm not writing correct things in correct places. Let's check this part. Slice notation. Okay. Oh, okay. The one I see is taken from 1 p.m. Oh god, sorry. Trying to do multiple things at the same time and just getting confused. Being Confucius. Right. Continue. I'm booking. Come down. That doesn't need a zero. Sorry. Gang. Baby code. High floor. Between 2 and 3. Free Wi-Fi. No payment. Next final steps. Okay. Give me a uno momento. Just need my olive card. Need to put some numbers. Please don't dox me if you can see it. Neither dox me nor steal my money. I almost started reading it out loud. Huh? That's incorrect. I hate how some places have year months and some places have month year. I agree. No, I don't agree to payment. Book now and pay later. Done. Processing, almost done. Done. And does have cancellations. Nice. Okay, this can go down now. Oh god. Not work. I mean, suggestions from AI to help me pause the thing. So, okay, it's not my what? Why can't I write? Hate it. Uh-huh. Yeah, which I'm... let's test this. These are not available. Yeah, so this doesn't have... I using a wrong package. I might be. Oh, bear the line, so we might want to package Python and packages. It depends on local Python installation, is Python included, which packages. Okay, where's my packages? Let's stop it. Let's stop running before we do anything. Anything. We have booking details. Yeah. Yeah. That's the name. Would be funny though if I booked a different hotel by accident. Okay. Actually, can I? Oh, no. Fuck. Change number of guests. Cannot be addressed properly, does not spot change in the room. I should be able to guess up to the CEO command and recommend you contact properly. I'll guess I'll better email them just in case. I'll do it later on. Yeah, fuck it. Okay, so first, numpy.net it says, right? And so annoying, the packages. Numpy, your website. Yeah, that's the one we're using. That is correct. Okay. Do you have any explanations on MPZ files? Any documentation? Just pretty much, yeah, it's completely Python. We should work same way as in Python, so that looks correct actually. That's F. Okay. It does not exist. Let's take a peekaboo again at their code base. Okay. Oh, that's result. I actually prefer to look at this. Be interesting. Load. So it is an ND array that we are returning. ND array, flat, C type. We stop debugging so we can't again. Explicit operators, not helpful. That's data. Into bytes. Reshape. No, we would assume there's a dump. That's actually a useful one. Let's see keys though. Yeah. The array. And banana not spawn. Load file. Actually, we could do this. Try at least doing this. Debug. And just check if we can see what is inside when we're loading it. The debugger is the strongest. Debugger can do it all. In debugger, we trust. Oh. Oh. Okay. Go. Okay. Load. Resource. Okay, that's the object, that's arguments. Oh, is it because it's a temp file, it's not properly understanding it? Hey Zale, hey darling, how are you? How are you, my dear? Method load. What are we calling today? Zalalu wave, Zalalu wave, Zalalu wave, Zalalu wave, Zalalu wave. Since my TTS doesn't trigger anymore on the first messages, I will be the TTS for Zale loves waves. Hey, chill. How are you, buddy? Oh, it's just cozy voice stuff. I had to do a big change. The cozy voice for the Mel spectrogram uses Whisper, and I don't want to import the whole Whisper engine, so I am trying to recode just the Whisper Mel spectrogram calculation, but that uses Mel filters of Whisper Python, which I'm trying to now load a Python dictionary into C#, which is completely different languages. I'm doing a lot of stupid things at the end of the day. Okay. No, that was not helpful, unfortunately. No pointer references. Problem is... Oop. Oh. We can get... Oh. Keys. Dynamic view. Ready to go back to the fest, so tired. I'm just waking up. Well, good morning to you, mi amor. Hopefully you had a beautiful rest, darling. I spent 2 hours looking at hotels in Korea. I'm tired. The crazy thing is, hotels in Korea seem to have... A lot of them seem to have gaming PCs in hotel rooms. I've never seen that before. Is it probably for personal or for sale? It's gonna be personal. So if you look at the project here on the left, we have multiple projects. One's missing. Fuck it. So we have Cohesive Voice Net, its tests, and NecoBot LLM. There's another one which is the StreamerBot connector, but I must have accidentally removed it because I'm not working on it now. So cohesivevoice.net, which is just the engine converted. Just a converted PyTorch code base to load the Cohesive Voice Python models and process them is gonna go just into my GitHub for anyone who wants it. NecoBot, which is gonna be the whole API overlay, which connects to the StreamerBot, picks up commands that StreamerBot calls, and does an overlay for visuals and TTS. That one is gonna be... The code is gonna be fully mine, mainly personal use. Maybe Slob is gonna use it. And I'll be... it's gonna be out, but it's gonna be free. Free, but, you know, I'll put it in that please donate me. I'm a poor guy. Please donate money. Please join my stream. I'm lonely. Idea. But it's so far I'm not making any software here that I'm planning to actually have it monetized. Yeah, Dale. We decided to for a few days. I think 4 nights. From 29th to 3rd of May, I'll be visiting Korea. South Korea, to be exact. Where was I? I got distracted. Oh yeah. I was looking into this object we are returning and thinking, why the hell I cannot see? Thanks, bud. Thanks, bud. I will. I'll still need to survive for 2 more weeks, though. With work and everything. This kind of sucks. Found method mpz file. So it did. Yes. So the class is mpz file. So we are correct about it. I want you to go take me all. Let's try around the wall. I should say Mr. Worldwide. Mr. Worldwide, baby. Mr. Worldwide. If I could sing, I could be Pitbull's brother, but I can't sing, unfortunately. Darling, mi amor. I would take you everywhere. But you know, I do expect payment back. Not in money, of course. You know. Naughty. But yeah, it's gonna be my first time in Korea. I mean, pretty much any Asian country except Japan. If I win the lottery, first country that I would visit is Japan. Well, if you win a lottery and you decide to visit Japan, chill, let me know. I'll buy you a beer. That's the least I can do. Okay, so... Okay. Oh god. Oh. I apologize. Oh god. Okay, so this is gonna fail. We already know that. What if... Oh god. Jesus Christ. You heard I don't drink. We heard I don't drink any alcohol, but wine is fine. Well, I mean, wine is also doable. I don't drink anything strong except beer or wine myself, so wine works. The idea is me buying something to you. In the end of the day, we could just go and have lunch somewhere. Thank you guys, thank you. I feel blessed now. Oh, I'm feeling hot. Take off this. Oh god. Please not the third one. The third one is never a good one. Never comfortable. The third sneeze is always feels bad, man. Okay, so what if potentially is instead of this we use a Oop, nope. Well, that's the only thing we have. I'll be looking gaming with a friend, but I'll keep you in the background. Oh, thanks, chill. Enjoy your gaming session. Those tend to be good. Very good. My little software nonchalantly eating 8 gigs of RAM. Back on, about to go get ready for work. Cool, darling. Hope you have a good time at work. Thanks, fam. No worries, bud. No worries. I will be also, maybe in an hour, I'll be taking a 30-minute break to take a shower, and later on I will be gaming some Pragmata. I couldn't handle it, I bought it, I'm sorry. My apologies. Buy some object. It's interesting to buy some to dictionary. To C#. Huh. An NDR. Ooh. That's interesting. Which type of tea? It's a private. Oh, it's a public. Oh, that's a private. Python. That bridge. I could use this one potentially just for text. Convert to ND array, which is sharp to sharp. Sharpity to sharpity. And this one, if it's an ND array. Huh. I'm slightly annoyed. Object array. What was the ND array now? Jesus, now I'm starting to forget things. Okay. Come on. Go in. Okay, no, so it does have a prediction. Okay, what is a... Oh, it's a local dictionary. That's why. Dynamic wall. Turns and an ND array, which is a by object itself. Text. Uh-huh. Huh. Actually, let's do something curious. This Should get a call something internally. Get type from handle. Okay. Flags are none, and the name also none. Very helpful. What's the value? Now that's out. Getting a type of key. Value. The value. Not very helpful. Hey, delegate. Where are we here? Okay, so that's the internal. Where's the return? Nice. Wait, what? Wait, what? Did it? I'm so confused. That's not asynchronous, right? I don't think I've seen an async flag. Yes, it's just a pure static. How did it manage to load this time when I didn't? Ugh! Wait. Okay, stop it. Let's remove this for now. Let's try it again. Bug. Trust, believe, and it will all work out in the end of the day. Chunk lungs or anything. Okay. Indeed, this time. Okay, and if we have a P object. Okay. Oh, don't need both of them. Debug. Yes, would make sense because in this way we're calling the loaded Python object itself. Still kind of would expect a wrapper around it. A default one. Yep. That was actually it. Hell yeah. Okay. I should have checked what's the type of this. My mistake. Type. That's a Python type. We still have a Python object. Okay. But yeah. But that's very helpful. Being dynamic. Your return. Your return dynamic. Yay. Okay, that's annoying. Let me have a quick look around. Okay. Now the data itself. This is a test. Let's do this. Our data filter T-type. Not helpful. You don't know what's the object type. Uh. Would be nice to complete this at some point. Would love it. Promise it won't help for every single day. I just wanna hear you saying. Yeah, well, that's something to learn. Okay. How it doesn't properly tell you what the object is actually is using. Borrowed reference. It's actually running Python. A textual visual. Day of race. Oh. That correct? Yeah, that is okay. It's complaining about this one. What about here? Now we have this. And we convert to an array straight away. I should. No. Nice. Okay, what do you do, Python? Show me. Show me your secrets. Die. Yeah, that ain't it. Huh. No. No? Let's make sure firstly we are what we think we are. After all, before trying to work out too much. Okay. Breakpoint, breakpoint, breakpoint. Alright, it's happy. It is a P object. Okay. Curious, curious, curious. What if we... Is it in the array? Because if it's an ND array straight away, then we might be able to actually get data and shape. I'm so lucky, lucky. I'm so lucky, lucky. I promise it won't help for every single day. I just wanna hear you say. And oh, it's not an ND array. Okay. So or wait. No. Maybe as nope. Oh, okay, no, it's fine. I thought there's an error, but there is. Ah, yeah, dude, you need to restart the application. We can't hot swap it. Bastard. Okay. Promise it won't help. Hate how long it takes for the debugger to start. Nope. Not object target type. Ooh, that's interesting. Mm-hmm. The Python during just Saudi Arabia. Okay. Doesn't look like that works. So I got a suggestion of another object. We'll rename it. Not to be as confusing. Let's that in the array mel filters equals yeah. And that does not exist. These kind of things can be so annoying. Again. Random. So annoying. It's so hard to check. Search for these kind of things. That's ND array. Every single line has an ND array. Anywho. What's the error? Error is the type. Origin must be a non-nullable value type in order to use it as a parameter key. Generic type method. Error message. Where's my pacifier? Fuck off. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. I need an MD array. Where are you? I think it should be possible to pick it up straight away from ND array. Find space. Add some. Missing material that looks like it should work. Annoying. Let's put a breakpoint in here and let's do this and let's do oh the ND array. And let's hopefully the breakpoint I just put in will work. Then we can actually see what's happening potentially, why we're getting the slice issue. Python is, if I remember, is it case sensitive? It would be so annoying if case sensitivity is fucking me up. Okay, trust. Nope. Solid slice notation. That's here. Oh, coffee stream bot. Hey there. Oh, because it didn't hit because I'm an idiot. Huh. Okay. Slice notation. Trying to work out. Oh. Well, predicate. Lecture. Okay, let's try that again, but actually correct the breakpoint, not a randomly left out breakpoint. I needed to put a breakpoint in get, I put it in set. So of course it's not gonna hit. The heck? Now I did definitely put it in get, I think. Yeah. Do you think I have not just my code? Slices. Slice notation. An object and a half. Okay, so okay. So well, there's a numpy code base crashing. File slice notation underscore again. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's when. Where's my specify again? Okay, let's check the thing. Represent slice notation which tries to pause, fails, and throw when the specific file is being misread. Let me break this down. Why is that? Ah, So annoying. The crash is... Ah. 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 I don't know pile my moment, but that pile is not in there. Size not okay. That's fine. Okay, that makes sense. So this is annoying. Are you? Get close. So potentially numpy doesn't allow loading MP set things, which in that case might be extremely annoying. File array string. Any all. Was found, so yeah. MP is that related? Where does the array come from? Is it? Oh, yeah, it has its own file. Dependencies, packages, numpy. Do we have any way of... That sucks. Array. What loads do we have? Load text. That's the load we have been using. Nope. So, and returning also an ND array. Let's Google a bit. Let's see you Google MPLO MPZ. And considering what I just saw, it doesn't look like it's gonna work well. But let's just see. Yeah. This is annoying as heck. Mm-hmm. Type is MD. All right. I don't think that exists. What you're recommending? No, it does not. Master term within derived the file might allow the binary header or fail to exploit internal file structure. So annoying. Might need to manually. That doesn't look correct. Python to C#. Non-multiply. Wait. N. And per. Yep. Okay. Oh god. Well, we can try manually dealing with zips. It looks like numpy.net doesn't work with zipped versions. That's why we're getting a slicing issue. It's taking in the MPZ file, which is an archive file, and treating it as a text file. Which, I mean, it's possible, it's just not gonna work very well. So... expression. Okay, let's just do it here. File. Zip archive. It's a stream. Created file. Extracted dictionary. Can we load from file? Get type to Python. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Var stream. New stream reader. I think I need a big stream. Or maybe I do. Okay, so we load the zip. Okay, so entry equals not really. I think that should be the entry. Need to check in the debugger, but that's my suspicion. If entry is null, throw. Just as a precaution. Entry stream. bum. Okay, so it doesn't load. Ah, that's a bit annoying. Actually, I might have missed something. Just realized. What's memory map mode? Well, that's not very helpful. Map mode. Move Python object of dictionary. Yeah, that's very helpful. Type in the array make. But it doesn't load from the stream. Dun, 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 dun. And makes sense because it is invoking method. Not going well. All right. Huh? 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 Doesn't make sense. Got some pizza here. Don't mind me. Some Coke. These kind of things are annoying. Empty? I don't know. God damn it. I should have just gone gaming. Uh-huh. No. Oh god, and I was asking AI to help me pause the numpy for C# because I'm not used to it. And it's already stuck in a circle, and you're stuck in a fucking circle. Jesus Christ. AI sucks, man. God no, God. What? Okay, we got a lot of code we don't need. For now. Oh, and we don't need a dot here. What am I thinking? I'm being a silly baka. A sussy baka. Cool. God. Get that. Why can't I write in here? What's happening? How'd you open a text visualizer manually? I hate that. I don't know. That's an error list. Where's... Oh, where? Let's copy this. Yep, it does. No, it won't. Okay, we were saying something. I'm busy. Ah, no, it wasn't. Hmm. Oh. That's something a bit different. That might actually make sense. No, let's see, let's see. In the end of the day, we'll try it. It will either work or it will not. Doesn't hurt to try. I still think it's not gonna change though. Because in the end of the day, we are still, while it is a dynamic, it should still go through the same code. And are you all ready for the crash? Yep. Who would have thought? Yeah, I did think maybe if it's a dynamic, it might not consider itself an ND array, but then I thought about it. It's just like with a var, which is a abstract variable. It's just gonna know what type of pointer it is. Damn. Side regret, blah blah blah. It's fine, it was still resolved to, yeah, exactly. It still resolved to an ND array indexer. Yeah, and that's lol. Unlikely. Wait, what was done? No. I don't know. Oh, true. So, tell from key and slicing notation. Or slices doesn't pass a type. This, we're still just passing slices. SLNQ, LNQ numpy. Slices. We're looking for passing it in generic so that it would know. No, it doesn't look like it. It's just gonna try to pass same way. Not any changes. Okay. Could we do it finally? This an the array type of byte, type of short, title full. Raise. Items. And the array matters for okay, resize, reshape, a scalar equals transpose item. We could potentially, for shits and giggles, item. Oh yeah, team. No, doesn't like that. Alright. Can't apply indexing with can convert from string to in. Oh, it's an in parameter. Damn. Don't like that. Field, fill, flatten, set state. Operators, not helpful. Just still think. Yeah. Course, yes. That actually might work. Thinking. We'll be using Python stuff. That's not this anyway. I don't really. Okay. Guess that's from Python object. Sorry about that. D type. Curious. Alright, this param object under ice or in dice. Yeah, that. Full chords. Yes, if a string it's a slicing notation. How do we use this, I wonder? Oh, arrays. This is wait, okay. The object mpz the object. Let's get this. Yeah, that requires restarting. Now, so that's a mel object. Now, and the array is new and array. Over. Looking from their own code base, pretty much. Okay, that's this crash. That's the important. That's what I want to see. So, pretty much we're manually taking from the object what we need, which is what's giving me a correct thing, and we're manually recasting it to a new ND array, which ND array, as far as I've seen from the code, is just a wrapper. It's not exactly, it's more like an interface. How much? Hold on. Okay. Don't remember. She'll get angry if I say I don't remember. Nice NPC. Damn it. Give me un momento. Por favor. How much? Okay. Hard to say since I didn't get charged yet and I only see it in 3 and 1. Actually, no, that might actually straight away just put it. Is it? But anyhow, we can do this. Give me a second. 90. Oh. Wait. Oh, sorry about that. Where was I? Where? Push, push, push. Okay, we loaded. We're getting the mail object, which is that. Okay, now if we uncomment this line, we stop this, and please work. And we debug again. We might actually get the correct thing, which would be beautiful. Which would mean I took 2 hours to accomplish a small thing. Yay! Oh god, I'll need to go through the code, remove all the bullshit I wrote. Okay, that so far worked. Shape, we do have a shape. We have the type. Now the data. Documentation for flat. A what? Well, it did complain previously about this one. It should be float. Hi, cutie. How are you, darling? Move this bullshit. How are you, darling? How's your day going? As you can see, I'm fighting a numpy wrapper for C#. Because I'm trying to do silly things. I was on my laptop, so I couldn't join the stream back then. No worries, that's completely fine. I just saw your chicken on the bottom left. That's completely fine, darling. No need to worry. I don't think I need this one anymore, nor this one, because unfortunately, touch audio resampling is not working in my version. It's a little bit broken. We'll pretend that's fine. So, okay. That's fine. Data. Okay. This is an array. That's a very Python kind of representation. Nope. So, as runabout does not contain a definition for flag. What flags are you talking about? Have a look. NumPy array get data. Oh. That's interesting. Oop. Let's let the AI do it. Guide the rain marble. Just I do use the AI but somewhat to help me, but I'm at the point where I can't leave it to AI, unfortunately. As sad as it is. It continues true. Why are you still not happy about it? Not continue. Wait. If it's not true? Huh? We played on game with Robo, he left. Ah, I mean, saw Nexus today. You saw Nexus today? Did you guys go on a date without me? Then me and Kai and Americanese played. Where are you winning, son? Okay, that's interesting. There's a binding error. We did win. That's amazing. That's what we like to hear. Mm-hmm. I wonder if Katra is on. Who's that? And I gave him the oh. Nah, cute is such a sweetie. I was completely expecting you not to give anything to him. But I guess you're a better person than I am. A little bit annoying, but we're not gonna say much. Guess he's happy now and won't ask about it ever. I won't be surprised. Knowing Nexus, I will not be surprised that next he's gonna complain that it took him so long to get the MVP gift that he was supposed to get. I feel like that would be such a Nexus thing to do. Okay. I mean, we did get some throws. It complaining, but that's not something really matters. Data flow to array. I forgot these and these. Oh, that didn't load correctly at all. Unless that's how it's... Damn, shit, I don't know if it's... What are we expecting to see here? I would think it's a bit too many zeros. I'm being friends with liars, just so you know. I might ask him again. Oh, Nexus. That means you don't want to be a friend with me. Because I'm a liar. Never. We were never friends, but were we? Wow. How about me? Am I your friend, guys? Are we friends? I like having friends. Otherwise I would be lonely. Lonely? I just got paid to be nice to you, that's all. You did get paid indeed. Next to you slut. Oh god. Well, since I'm doing stuff here, let me do a little bit of this. I refined your guide rate, cutie, so you can have money. So, not money. It's okay, and you can be my friend. Oh, aren't you? See, but I'm a liar, Nexus. Actually, can I check the file contents? I'm curious now. Most likely, since it's numpy. I do tend to lie a lot, if you haven't noticed. And it's mainly I'm memeing with my lies, but I'm not a very well known person for telling the truth. I tend to certain amount slightly abuse it, slightly bend it, you know. Okay. What if we click view? Oh. Yeah. Okay, well, at least we see the shape. And what's the shape we have here as a reminder for me? Oh, now we don't want to... Oh, okay. Most likely it's a goner. Okay, what's your shape? 128201. The shape looks correct. How do you know if that is also a lie? That's exactly it, Nexus. Well spotted. You don't. What would be the fun if you did? You know, I don't like how many zeros we have here. And I don't know if that should be the case or not. That's the concerning bit. I don't tend to outright lie. I'm more of bending the truth as much as I can. Also bending my character as much as I can. Bending anything as much as I can. I just like bending things. That's why if you're not careful, Nexus, I might just bend you over. Okay. Oh, fuck it. You would like that, wouldn't you? Who knows? Who knows? Okay, well, God get melt filters. I don't know if they're correct. Would like them lie. Okay. Um, or most here, and that's exactly how much. Okay, that didn't seem to be correct then. Oh, we got something. We have no fucking clue if it's correct or not. Because I'm too lazy. I need to the test cases expand to actually have it separate test cases for this, and then for this result, and of course all of the, well, I guess this result is more or less the same thing except slight squeezing of things. And they're not the same. Yay! Oh, damn it. Oh, this is so annoying. That is somewhat annoying. Let's double check the code I just wrote and compare it with the actual code base. RoboKey asking to play Rivals. I invite you and he plays off afterwards. Well, you say that, Nexus, but in my case, it's usually Robo comes in the stream and says, wait. Then we wait for 15 minutes and he never appears and we start playing the game. And as soon as we start playing the game, I get another, why you didn't wait? Wait. And then we finish the game and we wait another 15 minutes and it's kind of always ends up like 3 times he has to say wait. And then fucks off somewhere. That's just Robo. It's just the way he is, our special boy. Okay, oh, I might be missing that. Wait, no, what the fuck is this? Yeah, hi. Die, motherfucker. Lockmail. Okay, let's check it out. So that's unrelated. Oh yeah, so we get a device audio. Yeah, we don't care about that. So that's casting. There's padding. We're not doing padding, which we should. Yeah, that might be a good idea. Okay. By default, padding. And by default is 0. And do we pass padding to this? Check. Okay, so we have an window of FTT, which we normally just load it once. Might be a good idea to check if we're actually not returning a null, but most likely it would crash if we did. Then we calculate STF, we pass the waveform, the FTT, the hop length. That's the window. Now my curiosity is hop length. What is the 1, 2, 3, 4th parameter for us? Because, well, it is a code base made by the same people due to the different languages. The parameters might differ. Damn you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Win length. So, win length is also 4. We don't pass anything, does it? The default is none. Okay. That might be a... Yeah. So remove this. And that should be... Ah, shit. Here, slip so is this now classified as open source as I can just see the code while not being the dev? This is actually gonna be... not really. Open source, it's not just seeing the code. For something to be an open source, you have to legally be able to download and change the code. So it's slightly different. Now, in a way, you could consider it as open source because like you're seeing the code base, so you could literally just code while I'm coding and copy it. Oh, that's a very bad. That's a lot of scary kanji at the bottom there. First, studies. Focus on reviewing fundamentals. Avoid any avoid new complexities. Discouragement may be present. Perseverance is key. I'm pretty sure the kanji is different. Yeah, but it's not considered open source because you can recode it yourself, but you cannot reuse my code base, pretty much. And in the end of the day, it's like you wouldn't have license to do it. So if I wrote some kind of it's been 2 hours. I'm finishing shortly, just finishing a few bits and pieces here and there, and gonna go just making sure I haven't fucked it up. This doesn't look correct. At least doesn't look. But yeah, I'll finish up in a little bit, go take a shower, have a ciggy, and very quickly chill out. I'm not even gonna stop the stream. I'll just put in maybe a video from yesterday. Equivalent, I thought so. So yeah, we need trimming. Doesn't... Okay, well, let's try that. Magnitudes. STFF. Can we trim like this? That looks better. That looks a bit more like the same line in absolute. What was it? I am. It was close. Okay. So that's that. We do the magnitudes. Oh. This is weird. Don't see that. This is not needed. And so we get the filters. I hate the operations of Python. I'm guessing that's the same. Matmul, filters, magnitudes. Right. Here. Related. Checking out here. No, that was probably... Okay, wait, no, there was that. Cool. And then we log 10. Oh, we clamp and lock that. Oh, okay, yeah. Is there? Oh, no, I prefer it this way. Seems a bit easier to read. That brackets made me feel like it's log 100. Okay, then log max. Huh, huh. Just for my internet port. Interesting. No. Program min. I could literally have exactly the same line as in original code base. That's so funny. Okay, so then log spec maximum. That's interesting. Storage maximum, and this should be spec log spec max minus 8.0. Okay, yeah, you're happy. But need this. And final is log spec plus 4 divided by 4. Then we return the final. Well, so for anyone wondering, this is the Python script I'm kind of been replicating, which is part of Whisper code base. I could, of course, I could just use a Whisper nugget package to pull it in, but I don't need the whole package. I just need this one code, and the file is loading. So I'll just have this code, and the rest I'll put it on as citation that uses Whisper, even though we don't need anything else. I will use Whisper cycle at some point. Fuck it. Mill filters, audio device and mouse, which is similar to our get mill filters. The only difference is that, I guess not really different. The way it's being loaded a bit differently. Because it's compressed, and well, this is way more straightforward because this is actually the thing that compressed it. But we're getting it. Close enough. And the one thing I do still need to confirm, though, the problem with this is it looks the same, so quite potentially it should work correctly now. But if the input is different, then, you know, the output is going to be different. Not much you can do about it. Like, the least of my problems is actually the color. Oh, damn it. Switch token. Hate the UI sometimes. So, like, the actual tokens are run from an ONX model. So it's already the whole model put inside an ONX. So there's no real ways of fucking it up. because we just calculate stuff here and then we pass it to the compressed model. But if this is even one different, then this will be different, and then this of course is going to be different. So those are the problems I currently have. I mean, depending on the time tomorrow, I will play a bit more. I might have an export from Python to actually... This is using the same WAV file. So actually compare what we're loading inside here, etc, etc, etc. Instead of just having extract speech token. Because even in here, we are actually replicating a lot of bullshit that we cannot have in C. So we have our own coded sound file like reader, and of course resampler. Because unfortunately, it's all rubbish. That's not correct. That's whisper. Yeah. So it will be more work little by little. I'll get it. And I'm only doing this because I don't want to use Python, because I hate Python. I'm not a fan. I ain't a fan at all. Yeah. Let's finish, let's wrap it up as we are here. Let's check. Maybe I'll put something in the meantime for... so you guys can watch while I'm taking my shower time. Watch out. Let's go to Twitch. Maybe someone's... oh. Okay. I'll put 0. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, fuck it. I'll put it yesterday's stream from a random place. Because why not? Why naughty? Okay, channel. Just something to play while I'm showering. Let's put where I'm playing Raccoon, because, you know, Raccoon and everything. Okay, that's good enough. That works? That works. Okay, guys, then in that case, I will be going to take a shower, and after I come back, we'll be playing Pragmata. Look forward to it, and so talk to y'all a little bit later. Yeah, sure. Let's switch after loading. Ready?
I'm ready. I'm already pressing.
Take it. おめでとう。私はダイヤモンド。今日またランクあんまりやってない。多分プレイスマンしかやってない。初めて10ゲーム。Sorry, I'm kind of yapping in Japanese a bit now.
Yeah, we noticed.
かっこいいな、キュン。いいな。まあけど、ウリキュンはタンクのプレイヤーでしたでしょ？ナイスショット、キューティー。私はまあいつも通りヒーラーやっています。Yeah, that wasn't the best positioning by our other support. なんかサポートはちょっと変な場所立っちゃったな。 Hello. Nice. Nice, nice.
I did not know. Do not need to reload in here. Oh, wrong.
すげえな。私は結構前シーズンでインビスとラクーン使っちゃった。普通にはラクーンはそんなにランクで使わないから。ああ、Nexus。Sorry, up. What? Rock? どこ死んだ私。
This guy got me.
それは、めっちゃやっとるやん。私はまだ全然、持ってないアニメーションやつ。Well, if you just did the Nexus, it's not very helpful when all of the whole team is dead. Well,
I'll try to stop it. But of course we all again have no tank.
Oh. Kill that Spider-Man. Nice. Good job. まあそれけど今の新しいの CC のシステムはちょっとダイブタンクはいた。I got diffed by Invest. What?
Oh, what the fuck? That was that Spider-Man.
なんか死に方わからんかったよく。インベスそんなめっちゃダメージやってないわ。まあ誰が多分一緒に。だからローグとかソウルとかハルクとか結構新しいのシステムはやられるからなんかそんなにできない時がする。You know what?
Shit.
Maybe. Mine's about to disappear. Up, up, up. Okay. Nice, sold. そうだってタンクの CC 使ってたらもうあれ出る新しいのシステム。あー死ぬ。No. Kill herself. Be slow. Come on. それとまあちょっと何がされるかはってなんかそのちゃんとアウトでしたらそれは言るけどなんか喋っててやっててなんかちょっと何もできてないそのノックバックとかされてなくてはいいと思います。
Damn it.
So, okay.
God damn it.
Oh,
One thing.
Cutie, cutie.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man.
Jesus, the damage.
God damn. Almost killed the we're hella.
Almost doesn't count. I'm
Well,
coming
you
back.
are so far away back that. I don't
yeah,
know
well,
what you're doing.
yeah, well, no one's killing Spider-Man and Black Cat on our team, so. Up. Nice. Up. Here we go, here we go, here we go! あ、これはダメだね。なんかむずい。難しい。カップは結構今いいんじゃない？このシーズン。キャップ、その新しいの連携は結構いいね。じゃない？やっ。Okay. Buying time, buying time, buying time. と思うな。パパ。I can't do much. Ooh.
Well, no one could do much, honestly.
なんか一人のアメリカのプレイヤー見てたと、あれはもうトップ500タイトルですけど難しいって言ってた。なんかスキルだからあと10秒ぐらいだから使い方難しいと聞いたことあります。いや、this wasn't great. Oh, I ended up solo supporting, that's why. なんか DPS 多いな。What you want to say?
Nothing. I don't understand what you speak anyway, so.
I'm saying our team had a lot of DPS.
You'll need a top-notch
そうだね、これは面白いね。できるんちゃう？まあ、シールドもっと早くなくなるかも。わかんない。
I'm weirded out. No one is taking the cat.
Yeah, it does look. It's weird. I was looking at comments likely about the cat, and it's weird. I was
It is
only on the
hard.
Portuguese DR. It is hard, but like, okay, we have two spots. Half of the comp is saying she's dead busted. Half of the people saying she's dead busted. Other half is saying she's lackluster. Hey, chill. Hey.
That's normal for high skill heroes, honestly.
Yeah, exactly. And like, I'm pretty sure she's at this point. She's in a perfect location. Like, need to give her time. Need to get used to playing her before we can talk about nerfs or things. I would say it looks like she's in a very nice location. How are you, chill? How are you, buddy? そうだね、なんかカプの盾はもっと速くなくなる時がする。なぜか。Nice, we got one. Up. No, thank you. Thank you. Hello. De show? There's a gambit in the back. Well, no one's touching the back zone. I'm fine about to sleep and saw you stream. It's a nice opportunity to pass by. Indeed, thanks for coming. Sorry, I also haven't been really able to join your streams. めっちゃすぐ食われるわ。まあけど、 Seriously? Ah, fuck off. Spider-Man 嫌い。
Ah!
Sorry, I didn't have my res up yet. Eee! Muzu. I hate the Spider-Man. I'm sorry, Next was trying to heal you. Well, you get rest. Good enough. 私結構今木曜日で Overwatch やって始まったまた。Nice. We got the point, I think. No, this bitch came. Eh. Eh. Yosha. We're here. Cutie. Aww. You slightly exploded, I would say.あ、なんかキャプテンは今結構強い時がする。なんかそんなみんなやってないけど、いいキャプテンが強そう。感じ的に。No, thank you. Nice. Nice, nice. あららら。まあそうだね。なんか今ところなんかタンコも You'll have to wait, cutie. There's a front line. Okay, you're healing yourself. Thank you. なんかタンク今結構弱そうと気がする。だからナーフにしたらかわいそう。No worries, up to you if you want to hang out. I don't want people to be in my stream. My people have real. Yeah. I've been looking at it. It's just my times haven't been actually aligning well. You know, with work and everything. Usually you stream during my working hours, so if I'm busy at work, it's hard to do anything. Up. Okay. Let's just drop it somewhere. So. Hammond! Ugh! そうなんかもうマグニートとかその連携なかったらそんなにめちゃくちゃ強くないしなんか誰か後ろいたと思う Someone went behind I feel maybe just my hallucination
Maybe, who knows?
I'm just a silly little raccoon boy. まあそうだね。けどまあクローキやってたらウルト嫌い。Up. I got bullied. So. Nice.
Hey, this was better.
Yeah, and I didn't ult once.
I got with some kills with Kitty.
Nice. と私 MVP だ。おお、素晴らしい。Thanks, it's one of my own functions I've made, though I want to move them. I might actually make the translation bit into part of my overlay. Both. People can just turn it on and off quite easily. But still, thanks, man. It can have some funny translations, though. Oh. まあ、ラクーンで MVP もらえてはないですけど、私、ラクーンのメインだから、なんか、クイックでラクーンやってて恥ずかしい。
You'll need a college team to win this one.
Okay. Where's the kitty? Cat? Ah, give me
You
the
want
cat.
the kitty?
Give me the
Okay.
cat.
Yeah, the kitty.
My stream title is Cat. I'm a kitty cat, and I dance. I need to play cat. 私こういう
You know what?
結構 DPS やっている。Is the
Roughly
translation
that,
consistent?
But
So, personally, I did have previously a better translator, which was only on certain languages, but it was getting the meaning more correctly. Currently, since I have that disabled, I'm back to Google Translate, which it's so-so. The one I'm planning to put on my overlay is the one that I had previously, which I quite liked. Oh. 私普通にはクイック単語か DPS やっている。Yep. Yep. It's calling the... wrong button. Ooh.
Okay. You know what? I'll be. Here's the thing. I'll be a thing.
Yeah. I think the thing is. Oh, yeah, pretty much.
The thing is, I'm gonna thing in the thing in your face. The thing, you know.
Run. Oh, なんか accidentally caught that. I bought something accidentally. Yoink! I love that. Yoink.
I like the cold.
Damn, I hit a wall. Oh, I need heals. Matta. I got bullied. Ah, I can come back relatively quick.
Still got a few lives left. Let's make a deal.
Damn it. My gambling sucks. Gamble.
A little luck. Let's make a deal.
No, my gambling doesn't work. 3 times I got just 50 coins. Shit.
Fortune for me.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. No, slope. Yeah, give me money. Bitch better have my money.
Ah, I'm dead.
Oh. I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. I tried. I'm gonna enjoy ranking up. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, chills. Have a good rest. Installing. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. Highly appreciated. I could use my ult, but I'm just gonna feed. What's that?
Cat slashed me. She scratched.
I'm dead. I got Deadpool ult on me. Anyways, if I got you stream early, I might stay longer. No worries, no worries. I mean, I pretty much started just, what, 40 minutes ago. I was working. I might be streaming quite much earlier tomorrow, so if you see me, feel free to jump in. And yes, as I suspected, I used my ult and I fed. One, two. Hello, hello, hello. I am back. Give me a second. Okay. Like that. We're not on a break anymore. Let's minimize this, I guess. Let's actually switch. I saw you purring at the black pussy ass. Always. Wouldn't it be weird if I wasn't purring on a black kitty? Black kitty? Okay, oh god. My hair is still wet, so it's kind of... I feel like my mom just came and did it. Alrighty. Okay, so we don't care about these anymore. I can close this. No more. United Nations told Japan to ban some games and anime and shit because it promotes misogyny and stereotypes about women. Can someone tell you, Yan, they're fucking games? But yeah, it's just like with, what was the name? No Mercy? Where everyone was poopy? Of course, that wasn't a Japanese game, but still. If only UN would see what kind of scary shit we have here. Japan told UN to sawed off. Very good. Jesus Christ. Isn't it parents' duty to teach their children that about stereotypes and misogyny and whatnot? We shouldn't be protecting children. We should be showing them and say, no, this is bad. Because if we just hide it from them, when they see it, they won't know how to react. Japan was great until they put a guy in jail and fined for 100k yen just because the guy wrote a similar of anime and movie plots because of copyright. But 100k yen is not that much. Well, it's, I guess, 5,000 quid. But like, that's my... 100k yen is literally my residence tax. Oh, could be worse. Okay, close that, close this, won't need. Now I would love to... Let's try to somehow nicely restart my YouTube stream. Because YouTube sucks. You shouldn't be put to jail for a year just because you write a summary of a movie or anime that you like. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Oh, so he actually also got put to jail. God damn. It's the anime industry is a bit crazy right now over here. It's so broken. They need to do something about it. Heavy summary. Jesus Christ. God damn, I say. Okay, so end stream, will that work? Well, let's stop in here. I want you to restart my YouTube stream.